Hi guys, Brandon here from Rider UK. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your motorcycle. So as you can see, I've got a battery in front of me, brand new, got it out of the box. It came with the instruction manual and a few extra screws and bolts. All we need to change this battery is a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's do this. So I've got everything ready. All we need is the battery and the screwdriver and we'll get to work. Okay, so first we remove this strap holding in the toolbox. We'll remove that. Grab the screwdriver.
Remove these two screws at the top of this panel.
You can put them right in this storage compartment, keep track of them. You remove this panel by just sliding it upward. Now there's a latch at the bottom of this band, keeping the battery in place. Just unhook that and tuck it away. We have access to the battery here. So we need the screwdriver again. One screw here, the other screw here.
You want to do both of these?
Keep track of those too, you don't want to lose those. I was lucky, it fell right in the compartment. So unhook the conductors there. You can pull this old battery out. Now be careful because there's two bolts that the screws connected into in there inside this golden bracket. You don't want to lose those, although they do come with spares. Sorry, the battery comes with spares. If you can keep these ones, that's one of them, you won't have to use up all your spares. So it's just reversing the process now. You've got your new battery. Pop in the screws, sorry, the bolts into their brackets. Reattach the conductors. So they're just in there loosely to keep them in place, but then you want to go and tighten those up. Okay, so place this protector and indicator for the positive side. Tuck away the battery. You get the band.
Put it back on and we won't. Eventually. I'll check it to find some time.
There you go. Make sure that's in there nice and secure. So we just replace the panel here. Re-screw that in. Last but not least, just go ahead and replace your toolbox. Strap that in with your cord or your rubber band thing here. Keep that securely. And that's how you change your battery on your motorcycle. Okay, there you have it. It's as simple as that to change the battery on your motorcycle. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I've been Brandon on behalf of Rider UK. Until the next time, keep it real and keep it two wheels.